Hi everyone, I'm Amber from Sweet Am's Cookies. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I made these striped fall dress cookies using a stencil and an edible ink marker. I decorated this cookie with royal icing roses and golden yellow chrysanthemums to add to the fall feel of the design. So let's get started on these cookies. Trace the dress template with an edible ink marker. I used a candy corn cookie cutter to make this cookie. See the description for a link to the templates I'm using for this project. Ice the dress with white flood consistency royal icing. Use a scribe tool to help shape the icing. Allow the icing to dry overnight. Trace the stripe stencil with an edible ink marker. I'm using a stencil holder to keep the stencil in place. You can also do these stripes with an airbrush. Pipe details on the dress with black medium consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 1. To make the chrysanthemums, fill a decorating bag with a couple of scoops of golden yellow stiff consistency royal icing. Color the remaining icing with more golden yellow food coloring. And then add that to the decorating bag. Pipe the chrysanthemums on a flower nail with the two-tone icing using a decorating tip 101. Pipe roses with 2 shades of pink stiff consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 101. I added a little bit of golden yellow to the pink icing to make it more of a peach color. Combine the leftover stiff consistency icing and add forest green food coloring. Place the icing into a decorating bag fitted with a decorating tip 352. Attach the flowers to the cookie with the green icing. Use the green icing and tip 352 to pipe leaves around the flowers. And here are the finished cookies. If you make any of these designs that you've seen in my tutorials, tag me on Instagram at sweetemscookies so I can see what you made. I love seeing your creations. Thanks for watching. Bye!